Page 41, Twinkling Planets. Now you look at this and think, well, this sure has a lot of notes in it. Yeah, well, music does that sometimes. There's nothing new going on here. We're just using the 3 notes that we've learned so far. Middle C, the F, and the G. They're all here. Everybody's here. Doesn't matter. I'm going to go through the same process I use and whatever. It works on easy stuff. It works on hard stuff. Well, okay. I look it over. It's 1 line long. The clef signs are treble and bass clef. The time signature is 4/4 time signature. We're fine. I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes. Can handle all that, I hope. The hands, for the most part, it looks like it's playing 1 hand at a time. So I'll go ahead and take both hands together to shorten the video up. Otherwise, I'd go through it 1 hand at a time and make sure I understand what each hand is doing first. And then I'd put them together. But we'll pretend we did that. So it starts out with left hand with 3rd finger here. That puts the hand here. And the right hand is thumb and here. So we're in this position, whatever that is. And we just here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going through and playing the whole thing that way. You thought I'd play it all for you, didn't you? No, I want you to play it. Yeah. And then once I can do that, I go back through it however many times and as slowly as I need to get rid of the hesitations. Once I get rid of the hesitations, then I'll think about the dynamics. It's P at the beginning. It's piano, which is soft. Whatever soft is to you. Light here. Just very light. Not super soft, because there's softer than this. It's just soft. And then the speed, which is slowly drifting. Whatever that is. To me, slowly, you're just kind of strolling along, I guess. Just take your time with it. Don't drag it. Don't go too... This... That just doesn't work on piano very well because it's too percussive. It's got a flow. But it can be a slow flow. Huh? That'll do for now. Give me a few cups of coffee or a glass of wine or 2, and I'll flow a little bit differently. They want you to put in the names of the notes in the boxes above the staff, the C and the G. Do that. Remember, for middle C, we don't put in middle C. We just put in C. It's understood it's middle C. Oh, at the beginning, they got the first one there for the F too. Okay. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have to, exaggerate them at first, but eventually you just want to feel them. You want to feel these, start getting into the music. Granted, it's not really wonderful music yet, but it will be. Let's just kind of get into it, though. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 2, 4, 4. There's a duet at the bottom of the page for this. I'd like to play that. I might speed it up just a little bit. I think we can drift a little faster than we did there. Now let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go.